Please welcome the 2013 Chinook Display Team. Gordy was named after the base in Bosnia, where the Chinook demonstrated its excess of power compared to other helicopters in theatre. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as they bow for you now, please give a big cheer and a wave to the 2013 Chinook Display Team.
This particular type of vehicle is not used in Afghanistan.
Hello, Zero. This is Charlie 3-4. Contact small arms. Wait out.
And at that point,
Roger.
his operations room goes quiet. All non-vital radio traffic chatter stops as the operations room staff and other patrols in the area all wait for more news. It turns out that the commander of the lead vehicle has been hit in the chest by gunfire. Now, he's trained to do his own first aid if he's conscious, and standing by for MISTAT, which is a medical message. I have with me Squadron Leader Fiona McGlynn, who's an experienced nursing officer, staff officer in charge of MERTs. How is it when you're going out in that helicopter in the hot conditions?
Obviously there's an adrenaline rush, but you're preparing the kit that you're going to need based on the information that you've been given in that MISTAT. We know this patient has a gunshot wound to his chest.
A sandstorm, I remember that, and stones and dust flying everywhere, and the heat from the exhaust beating down, and that was it.
Protecting both the MERT aircraft and the crew. The paramedics and the force protection team, they're from the RAF regiment, they all run down the ramp of the Chinook, and the protection team take up their positions around the emergency. And the aircraft is already airborne after only 90 seconds. Now the work really starts, Fiona McGlynn.
But we manage, and the communication thing, as you say, can be difficult, but we have radio, so we're able to communicate with each other, and the nurse is on communications with the aircrew to make sure we're getting the most appropriate information back to the roll 3.